In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage domain forwarding using Squarespace. Now, domain forwarding might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step in a clear and straightforward way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to redirect one domain to another, which is particularly handy if you have multiple domains or if you want to consolidate your web presence. Let's start by heading over to Squarespace. If you're not already familiar with Squarespace, it's a popular platform for building and hosting websites. It's user-friendly and offers a variety of features to help you manage your site efficiently. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, you'll want to log into your account. Having access to your account is essential for making changes to your domain settings, so make sure you have your login information handy. Once logged in, head to your profile. You'll usually find this at the top of the page, often represented by your account picture or an icon if you haven't uploaded one. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Domains. The Domain section is where you manage all the web addresses associated with your account. This is where the magic of domain forwarding happens. Now, I'll mention that the settings layout can vary slightly depending on your account type or Squarespace's updates. If you don't immediately see the exact options I'm describing, don't panic. You're looking for anything related to domain settings or management. Typically, after clicking on Domains, you may not see the forwarding options explicitly listed right away. If that's the case, look for the Website tab. Once you're in your domains management area, you're just a few clicks away from setting up forwarding. In the Website section, locate an option for domain forwarding rules. You will find a button that says Add Rule or something similar. This is your gateway to redirecting your domain. Clicking Add Rule allows you to specify the destination where you want incoming traffic to be redirected. This can be another domain you own, which is useful for unifying different branded web addresses you might have. The input form will prompt you to enter the destination URL. Make sure you enter the full URL correctly to avoid any disruptions in forwarding. Once you've entered the destination and confirmed everything looks correct, you can save these settings. And with those simple steps, you've successfully set up domain forwarding on Squarespace. Remember, changes might take a little while to propagate across the internet, so be patient and check after some time to ensure everything is in order. With domain forwarding in your toolkit, you can easily manage traffic across multiple domains, helping you maintain a cohesive online presence. Thanks for following along, and happy web managing.